have a Street Good payphone here, and we're not sure if it actually works. It does have the hookup back for the wire and everything, which is actually included with the phone. There's no reason why it shouldn't. The really cool thing about this phone is that it makes different sounds. So I can go through a series of sounds it makes, and it's a cool payphone style house phone from the 70s. So here's the variety of sounds that it actually does have. And we also have...
Hey, it's for you!
And we have... the classic one.
Did someone get the phone?
Excuse me. Please deposit 5 cents for the next 2 minutes.
Pick it up, pick it up.
So those are all the sounds.